Social media feels harmless at first, like a quick scroll to kill a few minutes. It promises quick laughs, updates from friends, and a break from boredom. The design feels casual, friendly, and effortless. But behind every swipe is a carefully engineered system designed to keep you watching. The longer you stay, the more powerful these invisible tricks become. Today, we're covering the top 7 psychological tricks social media uses to keep you hooked. At number 7 stands infinite scrolling, a design choice that removes natural stopping points and keeps your brain chasing just one more post. Without a clear end, your mind never gets the signal to pause or feel satisfied. There is no final page to reach or moment that says you are done. This makes scrolling feel effortless, even when minutes quietly turn into hours. But the next one is even sneakier in how it pulls you back. At number 6 lies intermittent rewards, where likes, comments, and new content appear unpredictably. Your brain treats these surprises like slot machine wins, releasing dopamine when something exciting finally shows up. Most of the time, nothing special happens, but sometimes it does. That occasional payoff is enough to keep you checking again and again. This uncertainty is one of the strongest habit-forming forces we know. Yet things get even more interesting when timing comes into play. At number 5 rises the fear of missing out, triggered by stories, streaks, and disappearing posts. Knowing content will vanish creates urgency, pushing you to check apps multiple times a day. Your brain hates the idea of being left out, even when nothing important is happening. Notifications reinforce the feeling that something is always happening without you. This pressure turns casual scrolling into a daily obligation. However, this next tactic quietly reshapes how you experience time online. Coming in at number 4 is algorithmic personalization, which tailors content to your exact interests and behaviors. Every like, pause, rewind, and replay teaches the system what holds your attention. The feed slowly removes anything boring and replaces it with exactly what works on you. Over time, your feed becomes so accurate that it feels uncannily addictive. This creates the illusion that the app understands you better than you understand yourself. But the next trick goes even deeper into human psychology. At number 3 stands social validation loops, built around likes, shares, and follower counts. Each notification signals approval, encouraging you to repeat whatever earned attention last time. Your brain begins associating posting and checking with social acceptance. You may start thinking about how content will perform before you even post it. Over time, self-worth can subtly tie itself to digital feedback. Yet this next one works, even when you believe you're fully in control. At number 2 lies autoplay and default settings that remove friction from consumption. Videos start instantly, feeds refresh automatically, and notifications are turned on by default. Small barriers that might slow you down are quietly removed. When effort disappears, habits form faster than you expect. The platform decides what comes next, while you simply keep watching. But the final trick may be the most powerful of all. At number 1 rises emotional manipulation through outrage, humor, and relatability. Strong emotions hold attention longer and make content far more likely to be shared. Anger, laughter, and shock keep your brain engaged and alert. Algorithms prioritize what triggers reactions, not what leaves you feeling calm or fulfilled. This means the content that hooks you isn't always the content that helps you. Once you see these tricks, scrolling never feels quite the same again. Social media isn't evil, but it is intentionally persuasive by design. These systems are built to capture attention, not protect it. Awareness gives you back a little control over where your focus goes. So which of these surprised you the most, and how often do you notice it working on you? Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.